DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shutter selector boy.
Gang. What's good, YouTube gang? You already know what time it is. We're Jambisco back in the lap. Dan is back in the building, gang. You don't know what time it is. Yeah, man. Yeah, with more bangers and it's on the top. Yeah, man. Let's see what that deal today. People that say the new queen or princess are dancehall. Yeah, man. What they are with. You know, also no stranger to our channel. You don't know rock with her over here. Depending on what she talk about. Because sometimes she can talk about some outlandish shit. You see me I say? And from the topic, I'm not too like the title. Dating season, I'm not too like it, you know, because she come like she got the pants on hit and run type shit. You see me I say? You know about time, I'm not too. You see me? Anyway, gang, yeah, today we have Shenseea, the one named Dating Season. I check it out and see what she deal with. I don't know. Shenseea, bad artist. Someone that say the queen and princess are dancing right now. Depends on which I say, yeah? They're on the fence. You see me? But undeniable, she's very talented. I check it out and see what she deal with. Shenseea, Dating Season. Let's get it.
Hi, Billion.
Hey, beautiful. You got the gifts I sent you?
I did. I'm actually eating them right now.
You eating roses now?
Roses? I said I'm treating them right now.
You already know.
You're a wicked girl. Move up. You're a wicked girl. I mean, oh, that is another man saying sitting then. You just bought so much money, I don't even know where to.
You eating roses now?
Roses?
Hold on there.
Hi, Billion.
Hey, beautiful. You got the gifts I sent you?
I did. I'm actually eating them right now.
You eating roses now?
Roses?
Call him on Billy. Hold on.
I said I'm treating them right now.
You already know your accent be throwing me off sometimes.
I'm actually going to go into a meeting, so I'm going to call you right back. Hold on.
Huh? Hello?
Hi, Charles.
Hey, wicked dirty girl. Hey, junker girl. Hey. Go on still.
Oh.
That's why, dog. This is why they're supposed to get your flowers, dog. You see me, I say?
You eating roses now?
Roses? I said I'm treating them right now.
You already know your accent be throwing me off
You're not
sometimes.
getting a rose, brother.
I'm actually going to go into a meeting, so I'm going to call you right back. Hold on.
Huh?
Move. They just want to say, yo, then get it. Move up.
Hi, Charles.
Oh, Shenseea. Yeah. Me I date two people at the same time. Just weighing my options. Playing two sides at the same kind. Might end up in some problems.
That's right, man. Hey, you hear this foolishness?
But I not cheat, me I cheat, just a date by law. And if me give it up, me not doing it raw. If you try to stop me from do what I want, me and you know them love, you can't give me no talk. Just I be myself and I play my part. If you fall in love, then that's your fault.
Sure. You hear that? You're a wicked brother, that's why you don't try to do it. You see me and say this. Do I best see you, my nigga. Focus on yourself.
I say it might sound crazy, but till my pick you have to share me. You are know me, man have to explain, man I no obligation. Journey.
She said, tell me pick you. She know how the blows and till she pick your shit, you have to share. How the blows?
Me know say it might sound crazy, but till my pick you have to share me. You are know me, man have to explain, man I no obligation. Journey may be slow, but me for sure say I the one. So me have couple of honey in a rotation.
Okay, alright then, bitch. You had a moment, so I want you to know, you know. So me not gonna be do no. No man, she as in like me a your man type shit, you know. You see me? Me not gonna do no husband shit or no boyfriend shit. You see me? You have niggas, me have bitches. How you feel like? How you take this thing for?
Can you cut the check? If you the best candidate, then you get elect. But if you want go, baby, you can go. I mean,
thank you. I'm glad you know. I'm glad you know me. Okay with that.
would blame you because
If you want to go, you can go along to, you know, because guess what?
me never claim you. As two people I ring my phone line, and I ask when we are gonna spend time. Me I play two sides at the same time. Me just a mingle, baby got me outside. Seeing two people at the same time.
Man,
Just weighing
you're just being a whore. Go ahead.
my options. Playing two sides at the same kind. Might end up in
Being a hoe. Go ahead.
some problems, but I not cheat, me I cheat, just a date by law. And if me give it up, me not doing it raw. If you try to stop me from do what
No tendencies, bro. Let's be honest. It's called that's speed.
I want. Me and none of them love, you can't give me no talk. Me just a be myself and I play my part. If you fall in love, then that's a your fault. When no I say it might
Don't do no love thing, my G, with none of them gyal. How do I deal with? Better keep your hey. Make she fall in love with you,
but till my pick you have to share me. This is just a warm up. You either compete or give it all up. Me no promiscuous, just not get stuck. This a girl your head smart, she not get caught up too quick. Take my time, not rush. Not take my go a quote hope so you don't judge. No boy, your life can't pass up.
Yeah, man, no, you mean judge. Don't make them girl tell you don't hope you don't judge. You got to judge these bitches, bro. What?
So till the day my mind made up all day. Two people at the same time. I for weigh my options. Playing both sides at the same time. Might end up in some problems.
About 100,000 nigga kill themselves for the girl. Just because she have a pretty face, dog. No, I don't know the word to you.
I not cheat, me I cheat, just a date by law. And if me give it up, me not doing it raw. If you try to stop me from do what I want, me and none of them love, you can't give me no talk. Just a be myself and I play my part. If you
I don't move still, yeah. I mean, control the flow how things go up to you. So anything what happened is because I wanted it to. I want to, hey, you gotta be, yeah, that's why now. Make sure you play your own game. You see what I'm saying? Not playing a game, but make sure so you have control your thing. How you want it going. You see what I'm saying? Yeah, so whatever they want to do, fine by you. You see what I'm saying? Yeah, man.
you fall in love, then that's your fault. When no I say it might sound crazy, but till my pick you have to share me.
What kind of shit this? Look at this. What the hell?
I just dating season.
How you mean, Billy? Why you all on party for you? Two on eat that before on the dap up on one another. Yo, dog. Yo, you that BT junker too. You see me? Una war. You look stupid. She was like a dap up each other. Can get yo, dog. Yeah, man. You get a beat off. You get a beat off of that. Hey, but no, no make you one girl 22 hours no. I fight like a madman. Oh, two to that. Girl walk down left it 2 hours no. Nah, eat that. Nah, eat that. But, hey, she can't take no fool of food. Your phone no fault. You see me? She say a fool and take you for your food. So, hey, a fool no fault. So, anyway, gang, you see me? I say, yeah, man, Shenseea, dating season. Me not too agree with the one about hey, make it go on. Make it go on. She make it so hey, go on. You see me I say Shenseea. Yeah man, Shenseea, definitely one of my best artists out in a dancehall. You see me I say she dey on the same Jada shit. But me a burn her out too, cause me burn out Jada. She dey on the same shit but she a try pretty top. Oh she a try. Oh me a date, me weigh my options. Play 2 cards at the board same time. See, give me the best, more money. I see anything Jada said when she said she had Gen Z. Jada said me I sell it to you straight. You see me? Yeah, she may I sell it to you straight, but Shenseea I'm like, yo, I mean I sell it. But when she got me and goes, oh, yeah man, she tell her the price. You see? I see him think 2 of them depend. You see me I say 2 of them are junker. If you want to be honest. You see me I say they want to play it up cute like say yo, junker a bit that man. You see me I say, but hey, want to do anything. You see me? Can't bash you know. You see me do anything, you a woman them. You just gotta love them. You see me I say? You can't hate them, just gotta love them. You just have to know who them is and just love them. But anyway, gang, let me know anything about the one in the comment section. If you like it, definitely go show the artist all of our support. Make the know the dance, I don't know. You see me I say? Also drop your comments in the comment section. Let me know what you think about that one. Beats, lyrics, melody, all that good stuff. And yeah, you don't know, road to 10k gang, hit the like and subscribe button. 300 away from 7k, 3k away from 10. You already know what time it is, gang. Your boy Jambisco, till next time. I hope you're making every day count and I hope you're taking steps towards your goals and dreams that I say. Anything you believe you can achieve. As I say, gang, yeah man, no joke. So yeah, let me know what you think about in the comment section. If I like it, definitely show the artist all of our support, make you know say I'm dancing. As I say, see you next time, gang. Take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys.
Me.
I always tell the truth. Even when I lie.